Hey, what's up, guys? So here today, I'm actually replacing my water fuel separator as well as the fuel filter up in the engine bay. So I'm gonna be doing the water separator first, but I just wanted to show you after I remove the water filter canister, just kind of like the before and then the after. So this is Motorcraft OEM stuff. So this truck came with some Duralast fuel filter, water fuel separator stuff. Honestly, I've never seen a fuel filter this dark, but maybe the Duralast just kind of dies off and gets darker the more miles and time that it takes to actually get it this dark. But anyways, figured I'd share this with y'all. Here's the Motorcraft OEM. Here's the Duralast. I should have changed this earlier because one, I don't like Duralast stuff going in such highly sensitive trucks, these 6.7s with the CP4. So what I'm doing is replacing this probably a shy 3,000 miles early than probably when I could, which is every 10,000 miles. A lot of people replace these once every 2 oil changes. So if you change oil every 5,000 miles, or 7,500 or 10,000 miles, then you're going to be replacing your fuel filters between 10 to 20,000 miles, which is okay because these are fairly stout. It has a water and fuel sensor down there. So what I'm going to do is remove this. I'm going to clean out the canister. I don't see anything alarming. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and replace this, throw it back on the truck. Figured I just would share that with y'all.